Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Why are you late? What happened? A while ago you entered, right? 10 minutes ago?
My
Yeah.
computer is broken.
It's broken. So what are you using right now? What are you using right now? Are you using a computer?
Yes.
How are you today? Okay, let's have Vivian first. Vivian, how are you today?
Fine.
Okay. How about Duke?
I'm great.
You're great. And teacher's very happy to see you too. Anyway, honey, I have to tell you something. I'm going to explain to you something, honey, in the chat box. Teacher's going to send something from in the chat box.
Nếu tiết học này kéo dài đến 30 phút, em yêu anh sẽ kết thúc buổi học và sau đó chúng ta sẽ quay lại. Tiết học này cần là quay
Okay?
lại.
Yeah? Yeah, after 30 minutes, we will end and then we will come back again. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Did you go to school today?
To school.
To school. One more time, say school.
School.
Yeah, not school, my dear, okay? School. Yeah. Oh, what's that, Vivian? What are you eating?
Taco pan.
It's okay. You can eat it. It's okay. You can eat. Okay, it's fine. Okay, and how's the weather today, guys? How is the weather today?
Sunny.
Here. Oh, it's dark already. It is already dark here. It's already evening time. Yeah. Is that, what is that? Oh, an ice again. Duke, you really love ice. You really love ice, right, Duke? Duke,
Yeah.
you really like the ice. Why do you like the ice, Duke? Duke.
And I got the snowball.
Huh? Why do you like the ice?
Because it's
Because
sunny. I like this.
when it's sunny, you take ice or you eat ice. Yeah? When it's sunny? Duke. Can you hear my voice now? Is my voice okay?
Yeah.
Guys? Okay. Now, we are going to start with our lesson, Duke and Vivian, okay? Are you ready? Yes.
Yes.
Very good, Vivian. How about Duke? Duke, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Very good.
Look.
Okay. Wow! You have a lot of choco pie. That's a choco pie, honey? That one is a choco pie?
Yes.
Oh, that one is very, very yummy. It's chocolate. It's made from chocolate. Ooh. Okay. Maybe me later I will eat something too. I will show you something that I eat. It's a chocolate. I eat chocolate. Yeah. Okay. Now teacher's going to share the screen and we're going to continue with our material, which we had last time, honey, okay?
Chocolate.
Okay.
Teacher, it's chocolate pie, not chocolate.
That's not chocolate? Really?
Yes, it's chocolate
What is that?
pie.
But the flavor, honey. But the flavor is chocolate.
Look your computer.
Huh?
Mm.
It doesn't taste like chocolate?
It's not chocolate. It's
Choco
chocolate
pie.
pie.
Yeah, it's a choco pie, honey, but it's made of chocolate. Hold on, hold on. I'm going to translate it, okay? It is not a chocolate bar, but the flavor
Kiểu gì?
tastes like chocolate. Here.
Đây, để như này thấy được hai đứa ở đây. Ở đây.
Here. Right?
What is that?
Yeah, it's not a chocolate bar, honey, but it tastes like a chocolate, a real chocolate, okay?
Yes.
Okay, now teacher's going to share the screen and we're going to continue with our material and let's have a recap. Let's have a recap if you still remember the lesson we have last time. Duke and Vivian, okay?
Look your computer.
Let us have a review and let's see if you still know all the words we have last time. Oh, are you like a Yes, I like the choco pie. Honey, you say, do you like one choco pie? Duke, can you say, do you like one choco pie?
Do you like one choco pie?
Yes, yes, I do. I like one choco pie. Okay, now let's move forward. What's that? I want to eat that. I want to reach that and eat that. Oh, nom, nom, nom. Okay, anyway, guys, we are going to have a review and let's see if you still remember the lesson we had last time.
Chúng ta sẽ cùng ôn tập để xem các bạn còn nhớ bài học lần trước không nhé.
Then, after this lesson, we're going to have a spelling test.
Sau bài học này, chúng ta sẽ có một bài kiểm tra chính tả.
Okay? Whoever loses will sweep the floor. Or...
Ai thua sẽ phải quét sàn.
Okay? Okay, okay? Okay? Okay, let's go now. Let's have...
Stomp.
What is this?
Stomp. It is a stomp.
Yes, stomp. Honey, this one is not stomp. It's stomp.
It is a stomp.
Very good. Can you stomp?
Boom, boom.
Can you stomp your feet?
Yes, I can stomp.
Can you stomp your feet now? Can you stomp your feet? Stomp your feet. Stomp your
Yes,
feet.
I
Stomp,
can
stomp.
stomp my feet.
Okay,
Teacher,
very good.
look. This is fiber.
Huh? What? Yeah. It looks like what, honey?
Fiber.
What? What is that dog? No. No.
Yes, you can go. Can you
Okay.
can
All right. Anyway, now let's move forward to this one.
Stomp.
What is this again?
Stomp. Stomp. I just said
Stomp. One more time. Stomp.
Stomp.
I can stomp
Oh.
my feet.
I can stomp my bed. I can stomp my feet. I can stomp.
The man is stomping. Can you say that?
The man.
Again.
The man is stomping.
Very good. How about Vivian? Vivian, can you say it, honey? The man is stumping. Guys, Vivian, my dear, you say the man is stumping.
The man is stomping.
Yes, very good. The man is stumping. Let's have the next one. What is this? What?
It is a walk. Walk.
Huh?
Walk.
Huh? What's the action? What is the action?
It's
Walk. Let's see. We say walk.
Waddle.
No. It's waddle. One more time. Say waddle. Waddle. Yeah.
Đi lạch bạch.
Okay. Waddle like a duck. Can you waddle like a duck?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Try to waddle. Waddle like a duck. Duck. Duck, is that waddling duck? Waddle. Waddle like a duck. Duck. That one is running. Waddle is like this. Okay, so the duck is, how do you say it in complete sentence? The duck is waddling. Honey, say it. The duck is waddling. Can you say it?
It's waddling.
Very good. The duck is waddling. Okay. The next one. What is this?
It is an action.
What is that?
Don't know.
You don't know. This one is
Stand.
This one is stand.
very good. Stand. Very good. One more time. Say stand.
Stand.
Yes. Or
Đứng.
đứng. Okay. Do you know how to stand? Can you stand up?
Yes, I
You stand up. Very good, Vivian. Okay. Yes.
And
Are you standing? Are you standing? Oh, why are you fighting? Don't fight. Do not fight. Don't fight. Okay. Now, you say the man is, what is it, honey? The man is
the
what?
man is standing. Standing.
Yes, very good, Vivian. The man is standing. Okay.
The
What is
man
this?
is standing. The man is
Duke, what is this helicopter, Duke? Helicopter. Helicopter. Okay, again, one more time. You say, the man is standing. You say it again one more time. The man is standing.
The man is standing.
Why is it like that?
Is standing. My brother said, who not trust the cat above our head.
What?
My younger brother said, who not look at sun above by your head.
Really? There's a bird flying in my head? In my head?
My brother said. Mark Zuckerberg said, who did not find it question the following to have.
Okay. All right. Anyway, again, honey, what word is this? This is
stand.
very good. Great job, Vivian. Look, what is this word again? This word is
Stand.
stand. Very good. Okay, let's have the next one. Oh, what's this? What do you think is this? This.
Dance.
Very good, Vivian.
Dance.
This word
Dance.
is dance. Do you know how to dance?
Yes, I can.
Oh, can you dance now? Let's go. Ting 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 ting. You dance. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, this one. Dance, okay, dance in 3, 2, 1.
Brr patapim, brr patapim, tralalero tralala, tung 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 sahur. Brr patapim, brr patapim, tralalero tralala, tung 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 sahur.
So, what is the woman doing, honey? What is the woman doing? The woman is
dance.
huh?
It's a letter color.
It's a yellow.
It is orange.
Ah, that's orange. Ah, it is a
No.
yellow. It's an orange helicopter. Okay, the woman is. Guys, the woman is then.
The woman is dancing.
Very
The
good. How about
woman
again?
is dancing.
Very good. That's all.
Me.
Okay. Vivian. Okay.
Okay.
What is that, Vivian? Okay, let's have the next one. What is this? What is this? It's ha. What is that? Ha ha. You don't know? Okay, it is
Laugh.
laugh.
It is a laugh.
Very good. It is laugh or
Cười.
okay. Can you laugh now? Guys, can you laugh right now? Okay, laugh right now, laugh. Laugh. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, we should laugh. Vivian and Doc, we should laugh in 3, 2. Doc, what is that? That's your feet. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's laugh. Okay, what is the hippo doing, honey? The hippo is laugh or laughing? What is that, Doc?
Laugh.
Okay, guys, we are going to be back after this, okay? Let's go back after this one, okay? I will end this and then let's go back, okay? Okay, let's go back after this. Okay, I will go.